Useful Feng Shui tips for bedroom. The best Feng Shui bedroom tip that a Feng Shui expert can offer you is to have your bed in a command position. But before you know what is a command position for your bed, it is important for you to understand what is Feng Shui. It is important for you to know Feng Shui is an ancient spiritual discipline that makes use of a process that affects your internal landscape just as much as it affects your physical environment, be it your home, office, or your bedroom. Before you start practicing or using Feng Shui enhancements to your living environment, it is important for you to know that it is for nourishing and healing your soul. In a Feng Shui practice, one is enriching the soul by directing the energies of universe and natural elements such as wind, water, earth, metals to it. It is so important to stay positive and constantly filled with good, flowing energy. If you do so, your life and all the things you are surrounded by will represent such wonderful qualities as health, happiness, prosperity, love, and contentment. As you know, one of the principles of Feng Shui is that qi flows through all objects in a space, and each item that is present in or around your home has some effect on whether qi moves freely or gets clogged up, and the same principles apply to your bedroom also. Feng Shui believes all types of energies on the earth fall in two opposite categories, yin and yang. Once you understand this, you can understand the logic behind the best Feng Shui bedroom tip offered here. Bedroom is a place where you spend 1/3 of your time, so having proper balance of yin and yang is very essential. Some yang energy is essential, because it helps you stay motivated, get going with your day-to-day chores, but too much yang on the other hand can drive you nuts. It can make you feel chaotic, frenzied, and overstimulated. It can make you feel too passionate, so that you can never just sit back and relax in your bedroom. A command position for your bedroom in Feng Shui means that you face the door from the far side of the room but are not directly in front of the door. The part of the room diagonally farthest from the entry offers the best command position for your bed. It is this position you are able to benefit from the qi that enters and flows through the space, while being far enough removed from the doorway that you are not exposed to qi that is too strong. Another Feng Shui bedroom tip is that you keep your beds in a position that provides a solid wall behind you for support. Using this position puts you in visual command of the space, and allows you to face life directly, both literally and symbolically. Sleeping in line with the door also exposes you to excessive qi, which can contribute to stress, irritability, and health problems, but keeping your bed in commanding position prevents you from negative influences and puts you in control of your space and of your life. Another Feng Shui bedroom tip that I would like to mention about is that never keep your working desk or computer in your bedroom. The logic behind this Feng Shui tip is that the energy of computer, work, and that of rest, bed, are opposite to each other and therefore incompatible to each other. But in case you cannot avoid this combination, you can at least separate the two by using Feng Shui elements. As discussed earlier, that Feng Shui tips are universal in nature, they are applicable to each space or area as discussed in the article on Feng Shui Bagua, and the logic behind each Feng Shui tip remains the same. Take for example the Feng Shui bedroom tip that advises you not to keep your bed where there is window behind, but ideally it should be on your right. The logic behind this Feng Shui tip is to receive the positive energies from the universe when you get up and start a new day. Though on the outset you may think these to be fairly simple Feng Shui bedroom tips, but in reality these tips have strong spiritual or scientific foundation. For example, placing your desk with your back to a large window does not go well with Feng Shui, and to think practically working at a computer in this position may be a problem because of the glare from the window. There can be many more Feng Shui bedroom tips that can be offered. You can also make use of Feng Shui color and Feng Shui elements for balancing yin and yang of your bedroom. Like making use of red pillows or changing the color of your bedroom curtains, but for that you need to consider many other factors also. Avoid the overhead beams, the low side of a slanted ceiling, sharp angles from interior corners, and an overhead fan in a room with a low ceiling are some of the common Feng Shui bedroom tips that you can find in any Feng Shui book or website. If interested in some exclusive information on Feng Shui, the Spiritual Feng Shui is committed to offer you in-depth knowledge on Feng Shui through the e-books and newsletters. The book provides you practical guide for learning more about Feng Shui tools, and Feng Shui enhancements. Discover the secret to happier living by knowing yourself better. Read the ebook on Feng Shui to get in-depth Feng Shui information and practical guide to lead a meaningful life.